Hello, I'm Pichal Prasad from SR Technologies. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, SR Tech Hub Official. I'm really excited to start this YouTube channel and share my knowledge and experience with all of you. I have around 22 years of IT experience and having 10 years of experience in DevOps and various cloud providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, GCP, Oracle, and many others. Over the years, I have trained and worked with many professionals, and I realized not everyone gets a chance to learn quality technical content without paying heavy fees. So I decided to start this channel to make learning simple, clear, and also some free courses. On SR Tech Hub Official, we will be posting technical videos twice a week covering all tools, technologies, and real-time scenarios. Along with that, I will also be sharing my YouTube shorts with quick tips, updates, and general topics about IT industry like cloud, AI, and other trends, DevOps practices, and interview preparations, and more. The goal is to help beginners and professionals to grow their technical skills in a practical way. One of the key highlights of this channel is I'll be posting some courses for completely free with the detailed step-by-step content. Initially, I am posting AWS free course from basic to advanced level. I have designed this course with the theory part and practicals from basic to advanced level. For example, if anybody wants to attend their AWS interviews or if they want to write AWS certification courses, they can go through these videos and they can practice it. Also, I am posting Linux free course for beginners. It will help the people who wants to learn DevOps tools and other technologies. Also, I will plan for more free courses in future from this channel. My mission with SR Tech Hub is to help more people learn and grow in IT, especially those who can't afford paid courses. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share our videos so that it will reach more learners who can benefit from free trainings. I'll also be starting a new online batches regularly on various technologies like DevOps with AWS, Azure DevOps, AI technologies, and data science, machine learning, and other technologies. For more details, please contact me on the numbers displaying on the screen, and also you can visit the website www.srtechhub.com. Once again, this is Pichal Prasad from SR Technologies. You are watching SR Tech Hub Official. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos. See you in next video.